Hi, I'm Paul from Velo, and this week in the workshop we have a Temple Cycles custom build. The customer supplied the frames and the wheels, and I'm going to be putting on a lovely 105 mechanical 12-speed group set from Shimano, getting this bike nicely dialed in, lots of adventures to come. From this to this, nicely dialed in bike, built to perfection with a Shimano 105 group set. Let's go through the specs and what I've done to make this customer their dream bike. So here we have the finished products. The customer ordered the group set through our website with fitting. They supplied the frame and the wheels, handlebars, finishing kit, and I have lovingly put on a 105 Shimano group set that's fully guaranteed by us, all the work, all the parts, and it is good and dialed in and ready to go. The latest Shimano 7100 group set, and it is sweet. Shimano 105 group set is a great group set. It's a staple of Shimano and has been for years. It's a really good mid-level group set that doesn't cost the earth. This setup with you can get it 105 Di2, but this setup with mechanical is a really affordable option to get a bike up and running to a nice high standard. All the parts are that little bit cheaper than Ultegra, so if you're a rider that does a lot of miles, 105 is a really good option. There's chains, cassettes, chain rings, parts are that little bit cheaper. So on this build, we've gone for an 11 to 36 tooth cassette at the back. We've got all Shimano goodness with chains and all drivetrain components. The discs were already on the wheels. My preference is to go for the Shimano CL800 rotors, but the customer already had these and they've all bedded in nicely. Chain set wise, it's a 50-34. You can also get 52-36. And it's just a nice, sensible build. All the cables are external, nice and easy for the mechanic to build. So it's a great bike, going to a great customer, ready for some nice adventures. So all of this is available on our website. If you want to have a custom bike built, you can chat to us first, or you can just go ahead, buy the group set and the fitting on our website. So thanks for watching this little snippet of the work we've been doing this week in the workshop. We've got a bit of a queue for custom builds at the moment. There's a few more in the pipeline. So I better go get on with those and get this bike back to the customer. Thanks again for watching, and please subscribe.